Hey guys, Kareem of the Credit Plug 312 on Facebook. Just wanted to see how you guys are doing today. Wanted to come and talk to you guys about how I came about selecting the actual company I went with. The first thing, this isn't my first rodeo. I've had high credit scores before, had situations in life, bankruptcies, financial situations, and then had to establish my credit. I've worked with different people in my family, friends that I've worked with, business colleagues that I've been able to help, be instrumental in helping them get credit and cleaning up the credit. And actually, that's what we're doing right now, is we're taking the opportunity. Once we actually get you guys to the 680, that only starts phase one of a greater process of getting you guys businesses, getting you into business lines of credit, packaging you up to these lenders and these institutions that can really monetize you guys' business and take you guys' endeavors to the next level. And so that is a part of the whole Credit Plug agenda here, what we're doing, why we're doing it. We're doing it for you. This is created with other people in mind. Since I've been blessed to be a financial blessing and starting to get my financial situation together, I wanted to share that passion with others because it's so needed in the community right now, especially with what's happening with COVID-19. And so you guys, I did my research. My due diligence phase consisted of looking Google, also fielding friends and family with who they have used, also reaching out, like I said, searching a couple of resources, journals that are popular in the industry. And so when I compiled all that data, that's when I came across the company that I'm aligned with currently. And the first thing that I said before I even became involved with the business aspect of it was I needed to create my own personal testimony, my own story. And that story is May 24th, coming out of a bankruptcy, I needed to put my credit score back where it needed to be in the 700s and 800s. And I had paid off all of my debts, still couldn't get any traction with my score. And so I had sought out someone who could help, came across the company that I've aligned myself with currently, and then that launched the business, the Credit Plug, because like I said, once May 24th, I'm jumping around here. I've got so many things I want to share with you guys. So May 24th, I come across the service. I'm thinking about it as a for me personally. I'm not thinking about the business. I signed up with a young lady on Facebook. So that's a clue to you guys. Social media does work. Okay. I actually found this young lady on social media. I went to her link. Once I went to that link, I made the purchase. From there, I went into the back office. The first thing I had to do, they also sent me an email and text to be able to give me my credentials to log in. Once I logged into the CRM, the first thing they had me do, there's a roadmap that they take you guys on. It's a step-by-step. It's 1, 2, 3. It's videos. It's it's got a lot of resources, a lot of information. They also make the corporate number, the customer support number. We have one of the best customer supports in the business. And so the first thing they did was pull my credit. Once that happened, I was in the 600s, guys, and once that happened, it took about a week The attorneys were drafting up the letters. They send those letters out to you. Then you have to add your personal identification. Me personally, I use my driver's license and social security. There's a video. There's also tutorials on what you could be used in substitute for this or that. So all of that is there. Once I actually got the letters, I made 3 different copies to go to the 3 different credit bureaus. I included my copies, and then I sent it certified mail. And that was it, guys. My score now, I'm in the low 700s, and is steadily climbing. I'm doing some more corrective actions. I'm going to add some trade lines with their credit card, the prepaid credit card. And that way you have a balance of revolving and installment debt ratio that'll add to the score. So there's also 11 other award-winning products, you guys, that you can take a look at, because here's the thing that's unique, and here's what's going to make a difference for you and your family. See, once there was a discipline that got you into the financial and the credit trouble. There might have been something that happened, okay? But what the thing about you have to understand is once we fix your credit, what's gonna give you the tools, number one, and the resources, number two, where are you gonna get that information to keep you from getting on the wrong track again? That's the key, guys. So the education, and then the discipline, and then the resources, the tools. A man has to have the right tools to do the right job. A woman has to have the right tools to do the right job. You have to have the right financial tools in your toolbox. And so not only, I know we're going to fix your credit, that's our marquee product, but we also are going to give you the right tools and the right resources to make you a wealth of knowledge. Like I shared with you how that company, that collections company, erroneously was trying to add that bad collection to my account, and I had to find out from the credit attorneys to go in the back in the CRM. They had a letter already drafted up for me. I personalized it and sent it off. And protecting my credit, that's my number one asset, because simply, if you don't have any credit, you don't have any credibility. And that's Kareem Henderson, the credit plug here. I'm signing out.